Hi, I'm Jesse Lakes, co-founder and CEO of Geniuslink, coming to you from my improvised studio right here in my home office. So Geniuslink is a tool that helps affiliate marketers squeeze more money out of every link they share. We'll get into what Geniuslink does a little bit later, but for now, let's talk about the Amazon affiliate program, and specifically how it's relevant for YouTubers. We've got a few things we're going to talk about today. This includes an overview of the affiliate program for YouTubers, taking a step deeper and talking about the Amazon affiliate program, as well as learning about the handful of things that YouTubers often miss that could get them in trouble with Amazon. And finally, we'll dive into some Amazon affiliate best practices for YouTubers. Let's start with talking about how YouTubers make money. Traditionally, there are 5 revenue models for YouTubers. There's ads or AdSense, and this is what YouTube pays you. There's those sponsorships, which are the direct deals that you do with the brands. There's patronage, and this is the money that your fans will pledge to you, directly selling something like merch, courses, etc. And then finally, there's affiliate. In super simplified terms, affiliate marketing revolves around you, the YouTuber, recommending a product inside of a video, linking to the description, and then you use a specialized affiliate link to send your viewers to whatever it is that you were recommending so they can go ahead and purchase it. And these affiliate links include a special tracking parameter that lets the retailer know that you referred the sale. The retailer, and in this case Amazon, will then reward you with a percentage of the products that were sold to the shopper that you recommended into their store. And each revenue model has their pros and cons and have different times in YouTubers' channel's life cycle where they make a lot of sense. So while affiliate can be incredibly lucrative for the mid and late stage channels, it's also a revenue model that can be used from the very beginning of starting your channel. And as your channel grows, your affiliate revenue may very much ebb and flow, but it should always continue to be the foundation to build your financial empire on. And while Amazon affiliate program, also known as the Amazon Associates program, isn't perfect, it's a great place to start and will grow with you. In fact, some of the biggest YouTubers still swear by it. And this is because Amazon has a huge product catalog, huge market share, one of the oldest affiliate programs, they have international coverage, and this whole concept of halo commissions means that you earn on products you weren't even recommending. Let's spend a few minutes now talking about how to stay on Amazon's good side and not inadvertently get kicked out of their affiliate program. The first thing is cloaking. This term is a bit of a misnomer, but it's often cited as the most common reason YouTubers are banned from the affiliate program. First, it's important to know that Amazon absolutely allows you to use a link shortener or third-party tool with your Amazon affiliate links. However, when doing so, it's important that you disclose the destination of your link. And this leads to 2 simple things you need to do to avoid Amazon's wrath. First is you need to just simply mention Amazon. When you post Amazon affiliate links in your video descriptions using a third-party tool like Geniuslink, it's really important that you mention Amazon very close to that link. Second is you need to list your channel. So remember when you were first signing up for the Amazon affiliate program and you listed out the various websites and social media channels where you're planning on using your links? Well, if you kept that up to date, if not, you need to go do that right now. There's one more thing you really need to do, and that's to have the proper disclosure. The thing with affiliate marketing is it's the same as being advertised to in the eyes of the FTC. So if you're going to use affiliate links, you have to take the same guidance as the FTC has for advertisements and make sure you have a disclosure that's clear and conspicuous. In addition to the FTC disclaimer, the Amazon affiliate program also requires you to include a notice about your relationship with Amazon. When you're working with your FTC disclosure for your affiliate links, it's also really important to remember that Amazon doesn't want you to incentivize people to click your links. And this includes mentioning that Amazon affiliate links support you. So it's better to say something like, you may earn commissions from purchases on your links and not viewer-supported affiliate links. Okay, now that you've gone through the basics, let's move on to the more fun stuff. Here are some of our favorite strategies to increase your affiliate earnings. Consider these some of your best practices. First, and it probably sounds obvious, but it's super important to be authentic. Trust is key, and believe it or not, recommending products to your audience that you've legitimately bought and used is important, especially in the early days. Second is creating a standardized description for your channel. Standardized descriptions are a win-win. Believe it or not, the way you structure your description can be paramount to maximizing your affiliate revenue. Jevin Dovey does a great job explaining how building out a standardized description for your video and having that template can make editing, tweaking, and removing affiliate programs and affiliate links way easier. Third is something that isn't even specific to YouTube, but building out a kit can also be really helpful in your pursuit of affiliate revenue. So kit.co is an awesome tool for affiliate marketers to recommend multiple products at once. Essentially, you can make a kit for your audience, for example, a backpacking kit, and recommend all the gear you would use for that activity. So what tent, what sleeping bag, what shoes, etc. So Kit allows you to use your Amazon affiliate parameters as well, so of course you can earn affiliate commissions on all those referred sales from your kit. And of course, full transparency here, Geniuslink bought Kit about a year ago. Fourth is ensuring your affiliate links are working correctly for your global audience. So Amazon is a global brand, and while Amazon.com can ship worldwide, Amazon has also spent billions of dollars to build out regional storefronts to support sales in different parts of the world. Currently, there are 17 different Amazon stores around the world. For example, Amazon.ca for Canada, Amazon.in for India, etc. And with each of these storefronts being fully optimized for its regional audience with local language, local currency, they offer fast and affordable shipping, etc. So what many YouTubers don't realize is that Amazon's affiliate program is actually storefront specific. The Amazon.com affiliate program only rewards you for commissions for sales that happen inside the Amazon.com store. So if you have international traffic, you should be sending them to their local Amazon store via the appropriate Amazon affiliate program, or you're likely not converting nearly as well, and you could be leaving money on the table. Now remember when I said we'd talk more about Geniuslink? In the last couple of years, the Geniuslink team has teamed up with a number of YouTubers, and we've been focused on taking affiliate links to the next level. The result is something we call choice pages, and they're mobile optimized landing pages designed to promote a specific product with multiple retailers and multiple affiliate programs. And these choice pages have a few distinct benefits. So remember those compliance challenges we talked about earlier? Well, on a choice page, the Amazon affiliate links live on a landing page, and all the compliance concerns with having an affiliate link on your YouTube channel are taken care of. The cloaking disclosure concerns are eliminated with an automatically added Amazon button, and the FTC and Amazon disclosures included as well. And the choice pages allow multiple retailers to be included and the call to action to be customized. While our research so far has shown consistent double-digit percentage boost to the earnings from using choice pages compared to a direct Amazon link, the YouTuber Armando Freire has seen his commissions more than double from making this simple switch. If you've made it this far, you're probably pretty dedicated to your affiliate links, or at least super interested in getting started. We'll link to some different articles, case studies, and some more information about choice pages below so you can check it out for yourself. Additionally, since you've made it to the end of the video, you've unlocked an extended free trial. So if you're not already one of our awesome clients, we'd love to have you come on board. So please send a picture of a puppy to our support team, information again in the description below, and that will be our way of knowing that you made it to the end of this video. And we'll set you up with 1 month of extended free trial for Geniuslink. For more best practices for beginner and pro affiliates alike, be sure to check our definitive guide for Amazon affiliates. We'll link to that down in the description. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers, and stay safe out there. Let's get those wiggles out. Let's get those wiggles out.